Hi everyone, and welcome to Mama J's Kitchen. Today's recipe is steak au poivre, or steak with a luxurious peppercorn cream sauce. Let's get started. First, let me introduce you to our specialty ingredient today. Green peppercorns and brine. They take fresh green peppercorns and pack them in water and salt. This may be a difficult ingredient to find in most supermarkets, but I was able to find it in a larger international market with a decent French section. If you have trouble finding it, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find it online. Next, we'll finely mince a medium shallot and set aside. The ingredients that I have here in frame are 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of dry white wine, 1 tablespoon of the green peppercorns, and 1 ounce of cognac. I have 2 ribeye steaks here, which are seasoned with black pepper and salt on both sides. Place the steaks in a hot pan with a little oil that has a high smoke point. I used grapeseed. And cook to your desired doneness. These steaks weren't very thick, so it only took about 5 minutes to cook them. When the steaks are cooked to your liking, remove them from the pan and leave them to rest. Pour off some of the fat, leaving a little in the pan for the sauce. Add the shallots and cook until translucent and fragrant. Add the cognac and reduce. I chose the flambe for show, but reducing the cognac will achieve the same effect. Try this at your own risk. Add the green peppercorns, give a stir, and cook for another minute. Add the white wine and reduce by half. Now add the cream, stir through, and continue to reduce until thickened. When the sauce is reduced by approximately half, turn off the heat and add 2 tablespoons of cold butter, stirring with a spoon to emulsify. I'm showing you the whole process here, as I want you to see what happens as the sauce continues to emulsify and becomes glossy. When the sauce coats a spoon and leaves a track when you run your finger through it, it's done. Now spoon the sauce over your steak and enjoy. As you can see here, my steaks were not exactly prime. They were perfectly cooked and tasted nice, but I wish I had bought better. The sauce was absolutely delicious. I want to thank you all for watching and hope you give this recipe a try. If you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe.